Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to fix your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 keeps zooming. Now, I recently ran into this issue just because I was new to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And so if you're like me, and for some reason, you'll see that you're using the joystick, but it's actually zooming in. How do you actually go ahead and fix that? So in order to fix this, it's a rather simple problem. Don't be embarrassed. But on the right-hand side, you're going to see this button here. Click on that button, and that's going to take you out of the zoom mode with the joystick. So as you can see, now as I start to tilt the joystick, it tilts the gimbal up and down. But if I click on it again, that is going to go ahead and control the zoom, as you can see here. And so there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 keeps zooming. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.